Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look. It's so different for me. I've never worn my hair necessarily like this out, but I'm really enjoying the vibe. I really think that this is such a quick and unique hairstyle for naturalistas. You know, if you have a bad twist out day, if you're in a rush but you still want to look cute, I feel like this is a fun style. Today I'm going to a festival, so it's not Coachella or anything, but it still is a festival. So if you want to see how I got this hairstyle super quick, it only took a few minutes. Stay tuned for the goodness. That was obnoxious. So I'm starting out just with my hair just kind of all over the place, but it is pretty stretched, it is dry, all of those things. So I just am going to be parting my hair. It already has a bit of a part, but depending how anal you are about straight parts, I know a lot of naturalistas like myself just kind of eyeball it, like it doesn't have to be any straight lines really. So I'm just using my comb, and I can't even see in the back, so I'm just taking my finger and making a straight path. Okay, so first what I would like to do is to, after that is parted, take the part in the front where I want my twist to be, and I'm going to start twisting. So I have one twist in the front, and I'm going to use beads that I got from the beauty supply. It was literally 99 cents for an entire pack. And so I'm going to open one of those up, and I'm going to put it at the end of my twist. But you want to make sure that your twist actually is cute. When we're doing twist outs, the twist may not be cute because, you know, we just want the end look. But since people are actually going to see the twist, we want it to look cute. So now I'm going to do the same on this side. Okay, so now we have our two front parts. So now we're going to work on our actual puffs. So we have the two separate parts, and we're going to take one, and something that I like to do is add a little bit of Eco Styler gel, the olive oil, and you'll want to grab your brush and put a little Eco Styler. I'm just going to put some on my edges and then brush it up a little bit, and then you might want to put some in your kitchen, which is the back of your hair. I would actually be really surprised if nobody knew what that meant, a naturalista. And I'm going to grab one of my hair ties, and I'm gonna start putting my hair up. So you can wrap it around as many times as you want. If you want it to be a bigger puff and like have more space, it would probably be best to just wrap it around once. And then I'm gonna do the other side. So this is one way that you can wear it. I feel like this is a little bit child. I don't know. I don't really like the way it's like out, so I'm going to put them into buns. So you just do the exact same thing, except wrap it around twice. And there's a bun. And so I go from the back so that you can still have some curls hanging out in the front. And I'll do the same on this side. And then you can play around with how you want them to look. So I like keeping it kind of like this, and if you want to, you can add some more gel. Sometimes I lay my edges, but in this style I don't really feel like it's completely necessary. So this is how I do this style, and then if you're feeling a little extra, you can continue to add these little beads to your actual puff. So if you want to just add some anywhere around. Alright guys, so I added all the jewels to my little puffs, and this is essentially the finished look. This is just a super quick, super different type of hairstyle for naturalistas, for like if you had a bad twist out day or if you just want something a little bit different. This is a really quick and simple little hairstyle that you can do. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss any of my videos. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!